Our top focus this morning, horror in the capital once again. A 7-year-old girl was allegedly raped inside an MCD school in Mangolpuri on Friday. Police claim to have recovered vital clues and have ruled out the role of an outsider. Teachers, including 13 women teachers and 2 men, have been called in for questioning again this morning. 4 people, including 2 teachers, were questioned on Friday as well. The MCD has ordered a 4-member inquiry committee headed by an additional commissioner. There is heavy deployment of police and rapid action force in Mangolpuri, especially outside the hospital where the girl is being treated. This after locals clashed with the police last evening. Meanwhile, the rape survivor has been discharged from the hospital.
Patient was discharged around 4 o'clock from my hospital. She was in stable condition at that time. Medical examination we have done, and prima facie there was an attempt for sexual assault. We have sent all the forensic samples, and final opinion can be given only once the reports are available.
बहुत दुखद है और बहुत शर्मिंदगी हो रही है। इस पर गहराई से विचार करने की जरूरत है। कानून को सख्त बनाएंगे, लॉ इन्फोर्सिंग एजेंसीज को कड़ाई से काम करेंगे, मगर सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमको समाज के अंदर भी इस तरीके की एक धारणा पैदा करनी पड़ेगी कि भाई इस तरीके के क्राइम जो है समाज में बिल्कुल स्वीकार्य नहीं।
All right, for more, let's get in a word from Shubhajit Sengupta. He is joining us live from Mangolpuri. Shubhajit, you're getting us these reactions from the ground. The doctor saying that the 7-year-old girl has been discharged. Is a test identification parade on the cards?
See, that test identification parade will only happen once the arrest takes place. The first and most important step in this case is to arrest the perpetrator of this heinous crime. And for that matter, the police have called in all the teachers today. That's why the school is also shut. All the 15 teachers have been called in along with all the support staff, so they have been thoroughly questioned. Police are saying that they have a perfect clue towards moving actually which direction the case would head, and they are working towards it. They're promising an arrest soon, but how soon that would take place, we'll only have to wait and watch.
Right. And Shubhajit, as of now, they've ruled out the involvement of any outsider.
Absolutely. As of now, they're saying clearly this was the handiwork of someone who belonged to the school. This incident took place during the school hours, actually during the lunch hour per se, and that's when this happened with this girl. And after that, the girl went back home. She then didn't say anything because she felt threatened, and only later in the night she broke down in front of her mother and then explained the entire painful process to her. After that, they took her to the doctor. Doctor again said that they confirmed that some kind of sexual assault had happened and asked them to contact the police. That's when they went to the next day. They went to the school. They spoke to the school authorities, and after that, their family alleges that the school authorities snubbed them. And after that, the police was called in. Then the police registered a case, and she was sent to Sanjay Gandhi Hospital, wherein the prima facie it was confirmed that sexual assault did take place. And on the basis of that, the case has been registered, and the questioning is on. We hope some arrest will take place sometime soon.